Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Today we're going to learn about biomes. But before that, I'm going to show you how to operate the Oxford Learner bookshelf. So first, we're going to click this one, Oxford Learners bookshelves. Okay, and we choose this book, level 5, and it's page 38. Okay, we're going to learn about biomes. What do you know about biomes? As you can see here, biomes are natural communities of plants and animals. So it's like the habitat of animals and plants. So generally, the Earth has 6 biomes. Can you see the picture here? Zoom the pictures. First, we have oceans, and next we have fresh water. It could be lakes or rivers. And we have desert, not desert, but desert, okay? Next we have forests. Next we have grasslands. And the last one is tundra, okay? Probably we have more biomes, but in general we have this biome, yeah, six biomes. Okay, now I'm going to show you a video. Click this one. By the way, this is science but integrated with English. So we learn science used English. Okay, full screen.
Biomes are natural communities of plants and animals.
By the way, if you want to see the transcript, you can click this one. Okay.
The Earth has 6 biomes: oceans, freshwater rivers and lakes, deserts, forests, grasslands, and the tundra. This is the ocean. It's the biggest biome because over 70% of the Earth is ocean. A lot of fish and other animals live here. Some are very colorful. People don't live in the ocean, but people need it for rain. Water comes from the ocean, and then it rains on the land. This rain helps to grow food. We don't drink ocean water, but we do drink fresh water. Our lakes and rivers are freshwater. Only about 3% of the world's water is freshwater. But a lot of our towns and cities are next to rivers and lakes. We need fresh water to live. Deserts don't have a lot of fresh water because they are drier and hotter than other biomes. This is the Atacama Desert in Chile. It's the driest place in the world. There aren't many people or animals here because there isn't enough water. But it's beautiful. There are rocks, sand, and mountains, and it's all red. This is a forest in the UK. It's raining. There are many trees, plants, and animals here. There are lots of forests in the world, and they are in hot and cold places. Grasslands have a lot of grass, and many animals live here. Zebras, giraffes, tigers, rhinoceroses, and other animals all live in grasslands. There are grasslands all over the world. The tundra is the coldest biome. Most of the tundra is in North America and Europe. Some animals live here, like the snow leopard, but not many. There are 6 different biomes in the world. Which one is the hottest? Which one is the coldest?
Okay, that's all the video. It's pretty clear, right? We have 6 different biomes in the world, and there is the hottest biome and there is a coldest biome. Okay, look at this. Now we're going to listen and read to this text. Okay, are you ready?
Page 38.
Okay, you can adjust whether you want to read it slowly, normal, or fast. Okay, and this is the transcript.
Page 38.
And this is the volume. You can also try to practice by record your voice here. For example, I'm going to record to show you how to record the voice. Biomes of the earth. And you can listen to your voice. Biomes of the earth. Okay, that's it. Okay, are you ready to listen to the audio? Okay, let's start.
C. Listen and read.
Biomes of the earth. Biomes are natural communities of plants and animals. The earth has 6 biomes. The oceans are the biggest biome on earth and are home to whales, dolphins, and fish. Over 70% of the earth is ocean. Oceans give us food and oxygen. Ocean water goes into the air and comes back as rain. Lakes and rivers are fresh water. Turtles and ducks live in this biome. About 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water. About 30% of the land on Earth is desert. Deserts are the driest and hottest biome. Deserts are home to snakes and lizards. Over 30% of the land on Earth is forest. This biome has many trees, plants, and animals. There are forests in hot and cold places. Forests are the biggest biome on land. Grasslands have grass, but not many trees. North American grasslands are home to rabbits and snakes. African grasslands have zebras, elephants, and lions. The tundra is the coldest biome. It is home to foxes, bears, and 1,700 kinds of plants.
Okay, so which biomes do you think you can find in Indonesia? Can we find ocean in Indonesia? Yes, yeah, we can find ocean in Indonesia. Next, Can we find fresh water in Indonesia? Yes, we have some lakes and rivers in Indonesia. Next, how about this? Is there any desert in Indonesia? No, yeah. I don't think there is a desert in Indonesia. We cannot find this biome, yeah. This biome is the driest and the hottest biome, and we cannot find it in Indonesia. Next, do we have forests in Indonesia? Yes, yeah, we have in Kalimantan and then in Sumatra, in Papua, we have a big forest. Next, do we have grasslands? I think yes, yeah. Next, the last one, do we have tundra in Indonesia? No, yeah, because tundra is the coldest biome. Okay, next, let's try to answer the questions. That is the answer of the questions. But before that, try to answer it. Which animals live in African grasslands? Okay, you can find the answer here. Look at this. African grasslands have zebras, elephants, and lions. Next, how many kinds of plants are in the tundra? What is your answer? How many kinds of plants in the tundra? Look at this. Can we find the answer here? Let's see. Look at this. The tundra is the coldest biome. It is home to foxes, bears, and 1700 kinds of plants. Wow, there's a lot of plants. So the answer is there are 1700 kinds of plants, yeah, in tundra. Next, how much of the Earth's water is fresh water? Is it 1%, 2%, 3%? Let's see. Look at this. Lakes and rivers are freshwater. Turtles and ducks live in this biome. About 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water. So the answer is about 3%. And number 4, the last one. Which animals live in the oceans? What do you think? Fish. Yeah, we can see fish. What else? Look at this. The oceans are the biggest biome on Earth and are home to whales, dolphins, and fish. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty easy. Okay. And there is tip here. The first sentence of a paragraph usually tells about the subject. So we pay attention to the first sentence here because this is the subject, yeah? The first sentence. Okay? And try to fill in the charts. Number 1, the coldest biome. What is it? Tundra, yeah? Tundra is the coldest biome. So we put the checklist here. How about number 2? I'm going to give you 1 minute. You can answer this, and after that we can discuss the answer. Okay? Okay, time is up. Number 2, the driest biome. Is it ocean? No, yeah, we have a lot of water in the ocean. Is it fresh water? Nope. We also have water in the freshwater biome. Next, desert. Is it yes or no? Yes, yeah, desert is the driest biome. Next, the biggest. The biggest. The answer is forest. Yeah. Next, biggest on land. I'm sorry. The biggest. Oh, this one is the biggest on the earth. So the answer is ocean. Yeah. Meanwhile, for this one, the biggest on land. The biggest on land is forest. The biggest biome on land is forest. The biggest biome in the earth is ocean. 3% of the earth water is probably we have two options here, ocean or freshwater. Freshwater. 3% of the earth's water, freshwater. Doesn't have many trees. What's that? Grassland, yeah? Okay. Is your answer all correct? I hope so, yeah. Congratulations if you got all of your answers correct, okay? Next, this one. Which biomes can you see in your country? Yeah, we have answered that questions. What animals live there? Okay, you can discuss it with your family, or you can browse the information from the internet. Which biomes are not in your country? Okay. Right, now let's read this part. Okay, it's about rainforest. Are you ready?
Page 42. Skills. Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. A. Read. Then answer. The rainforests.
Forests that get a lot of rain are called rainforests. Rainforests have more plants and animals than any other place on Earth. Most of the world's fresh water is in rainforests. They also make about 20% of the Earth's oxygen. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on Earth. Rainforests are important, but people are cutting them down. What will happen to the animals that live there? Animals like the macaw, sloth, and spider monkey won't have a place to live. We need to take care of the rainforests today so that the Earth stays healthy in the future.
1,
How much of the Earth's oxygen do the rainforests make?
2,
What are people doing to the rainforests?
3.
What are some animals that live in the rainforests?
Okay, that's the importance of rainforest, yeah. Rainforest is so important because it's the home for some animals and plants, yeah. And look at this. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on Earth, but nowadays it has been cut down, yeah. So we need to protect the forest, especially in Indonesia. Okay, everyone, that's all. I'm going to give you practice. You can answer these questions on Google Form, and I'm going to put the link. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.